Welcome. So the practice you're about to embark on is an excerpt from a larger yoga practice. This is the first portion of that practice. You can see the full practice by clicking here. This I've excerpted for you so that you could have a chance to practice the artistry of concentration, focus, and brain repair through your eyes, through your mind, and through the simple directions that I'll be giving you throughout the practice. There will also be breathing activities to help bring some more life or pizzazz into your neocortex to help the part of your brain that is responsible for concentration, executive function, memory, follow through, those kinds of things. So as always, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit like for any videos that work for you so I can get the feedback from the like buttons, and leave comments or questions down below. I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy your practice. Namaste. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming in for practice today. Let's start with a comfortable seat. We're going to be doing a practice that is really oriented towards brain health because it's something really relevant to me, of course, and also relevant to anybody else. But I like this practice to be like a multi-section practice where you can sense a couple different tools will be used, and then you can let me know how you experience it. So please take a comfortable seat. You're welcome to close your eyes. Lengthen up through the crown of your skull and drop down into your sitting bones. And give yourself an opportunity to arrive here, to get grounded right here in the present. But without causing anything in particular to happen, start orienting your witness mind, your observing mind. You can notice without judging anything, notice the air against your skin, the light against your face, the sounds in your environment, any fragrance in the environment or neutral fragrance. And then any taste on the tongue, so the 5 senses. And when you've given your brain a chance to acknowledge those 5 senses, witnessing, observing, not judging or coercing, then drop your mind down through the senses into your body. So if you can go down towards a place that you're sitting that's the most grounded, like your sitting bones on your blanket, or if you're sitting in a chair, maybe your feet on the ground. And practice placing your mind and your eyes and your breath there together. You might practice seeing the sensation, feeling the sensation, breathing into the sensation. And though the breath is rising and falling, as we say, keep your mind and your eyes stable on the sensation. And picture that the breath is stable there too, even though, of course, it's going to rise on the inhale. It'll, we say fall on the exhale. It's going to exit on the exhale. But keep your mind at the sensations. And if it's 2 feet or 2 sitting bones, that's ideal, actually. Know that you're training your mind right now in concentration, attention, mindfulness. And now let's use the Ujjayi breath. So start making the whispering sound of the breath in the back hollow of the throat. You're going to hear it with your inner ear. And same thing, keep your eyes and your mind and your breath established at those sensations. Notice the effect this has on your mind and your mood. And then bring your hands together and sense the arrival of the palms at the center of the chest. And let's bring awareness now up into the hands. Notice those sensations. And then aim both arms forward so that you're pointing with the fingers, the thumbs can be up. Now, when the palms are touching, let's put attention right at the thumbs, where the two thumbs are touching, and you've got like one area of sensation to notice, but we know that there are two thumbs here. So noticing like the singular sensation for the moment. And then exhale and start to open the arms wide and see if you can follow your thumbs with your attention. So you've got two sensations going out left and right. Try to sense where your thumbs are in space. You can keep the eyes closed. And then draw your hands back together, perhaps with the exhale, knowing that your thumbs are going to meet there and there'll be, again, like one tactile sensation. Finish the exhale. And then inhale to open. See if you can track the movement of your thumbs with your internal eye. You're not opening the eyes yet. Here's the inhale. And then exhale and bring the palms together slowly. And as you track that with your attention, don't go to the singular sensation before it happens. So stay with yourself moment to moment. And do it again. Inhale to open. You can sense the thumbs going out wider. And exhale, return your hands to center, of course, at your body's breath pace. And as you get to, again, one singular sensation, notice what that's like for your mind. And we'll do one more time the opening sensation. See if you can track where your thumbs are going. And perhaps your range of motion widens a little bit moment to moment, so the thumbs go behind the line of the shoulders. And then return last time. Exhale. And then bring your hands together at your heart. That's like a little preview of some of the practices that we'll do. And now we'll start with our invocation. Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Hari Om. Your head to your heart. And then release your hands as you're ready to, and please open your eyes. Now, as you open your eyes, we're going to be using the eyes for part of this practice. And so we're going to do a tracking practice in a moment. And then we'll also have the eyes closed for part of the practice. So it's a specific process that we're going to go through. And I appreciate your willingness to explore. So let's take your right thumb out in front. And I'm going to ask you to follow your right thumb and just see that you can do that. And then exhale, bring it back to center. So you can do that also on the other side, just giving a little check, you're able to do it. So you go with the inhale to follow your thumb. And then exhale and come back to center. Okay, you've got the range of motion, you know where that's going. So that's like cross-check as a pilot, we've checked that particular function. Okay, bring the palms together again. You've got one singular sensation. Okay. Now with the inhale, eyes closed. With your inhale, open your arms wide. The two thumbs are separating. Imagine your thumbs in the space around you. Exhale, return. Follow your thumbs. Don't anticipate the sensation of them joining. That will come. Now open your eyes and follow your right thumb. Close the eyes and imagine your left thumb. Inhale. Exhale, open your eyes. See your right thumb. Inhale, return to center with the eyes open. Exhale, notice the one sensation. Open the eyes, follow your left thumb. Inhale. Close your eyes, notice your right thumb. Inhale, stay with the right thumb. Exhale, open your eyes, gaze at your left thumb. Inhale, follow your left thumb to center. Exhale, close your eyes, notice the one sensation. Inhale, open your eyes, follow your right thumb. Exhale, close your eyes, notice your left thumb. Inhale, stay with your left thumb. Exhale, open your eyes, notice the right thumb. Inhale, return to center, following your right thumb. Exhale, close your eyes and notice the single sensation. One more time, inhale, open your eyes, follow your left thumb. Exhale, close your eyes, notice your right thumb. Inhale, stay with your right thumb. Exhale, open your eyes and see the left thumb is there. And then inhale, return to center. Exhale, close the eyes, notice the single sensation, the thumbs touching. And then rest your hands in your lap. And then just take notice how present you're able to be with that. Okay, and keeping like a little sticky note to the side of your mind. How present are you able to be there? And we're going to do a pranayama practice, a set of pranayama practices, and see if we have greater access to mental clarity in that particular practice we just did. So right now, 10 strong breath cycles, in, out, and then we'll inhale to hold, and we'll exhale to release. You can follow me. Inhale slowly. And then hold. Exhale thoughtfully and without coercion, but exhale completely. To help your mind in staying grounded, you could rest your attention at your sitting bones if they're touching the ground, or at your feet if they're touching the ground. We're going to repeat that. So 10 strong breaths. Now inhale slow. Hold. Release in your own timing. Deeply relax and encourage your thinking mind to land on your sitting bones or your feet, whichever is touching the ground. Do another practice, and this one is to bring energy into the neocortex. So you're going to do several bursts of inhale, little sips of inhale, and we'll do usually about 6 or 8 of those. We'll hold the breath, and then we're going to exhale to release again. So like this. And then exhale slowly, releasing the bandhas before you exhale. Again, the mind drops down to the place where you've got a sense of grounding. So sitting bones or feet. Now again, the little sips of inhale. This is to give some like a boost to the neocortex. So let's do 6, maybe 8 times. Exhale thoughtfully in your own timing. And drop your mind into your sitting bones or your feet. And see if that thinking mind, your leapfrog mind, might stay put for a little bit. And we're going to repeat that practice, but it'll be 2 little sniffs for each sniff. So it's a quick, 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 like that. Okay, so at your own timing, and you may not get to 8 or even 6, you might only get 4. So like this. And then again, exhale in your own timing. So you're releasing the breath pretty thoroughly, but not with any sense of coercion, especially at the end of the exhale. One more time, same thing. And exhale in your own timing. And drop your mind again down to the place where your sitting bones or your feet are grounded. Now we'll do one more technique and then we'll check and see if our attention, including our peripheral attention, is enhanced. So with your right hand, bring the 2 fingers in like this. You've got your thumb and your ring finger. And then partially close both nostrils and keep both nostrils partially open. So it's going to be, we call this inhale resistance or pratyaloma pranayama. It'll be a longer, slower inhale because you're narrowing the aperture for the breath. At the end of that, you're going to exhale like sighing. It's very casual to exhale. Okay, so starting with the inhale. When you put resistance on the inhale, it's going to require your diaphragm to draw down, causing the inhale to go slower and potentially to highlight where you need a little more strength at which part of your inhale. And then you're going to exhale and relax that again, like sighing. And now repeating when you're ready to, of course. We'll do that twice more. And drop the mind down into your sitting bones or your feet. Or just any little glimpse of mental stillness. Mental stillness means that the animal mind, the manas, and the thinking and narrative mind called ahankara, they've gotten quiet, and you're resting more in the awareness mind or wisdom mind. You can call that buddhi for this morning. Okay, and let's take both hands out in front. You have the single sensation where the thumbs are touching. As you notice that sensation, exhale. You can use ujjayi breathing. Inhale, open the arms wide and try to follow your thumbs without moving your head. Exhale, keeping the eyes closed. Ujjayi exhale, the thumbs are going to come back to center. And rather than anticipating the sensation, we stay with the thumbs until they become one. Open your eyes, follow your right thumb. Close your eyes and look at the left thumb from the inside. Inhale, stay with your left thumb. Exhale, open your eyes to the right thumb. Inhale, bring your palms slowly together, following your right thumb. Exhale, close your eyes, notice the one sensation. Inhale, open your eyes, follow your left thumb. Exhale, close your eyes and gaze at the right thumb from the inside. Inhale to the right thumb. Exhale, open your eyes, gazing at the left thumb. Inhale, follow your left thumb as you come to center without anticipating the return. So you're right there with the left thumb. Then exhale, close the eyes, notice the one sensation. And inhale your hands to your heart. Relax the practice and just notice the quality of your mind as we come through. That's the end of that part of our practice today. What is the quality of your mind or your concentration right now? And if you have even a sense like there's light through the trees, then I say celebrate that. Thank you for sharing this part of your practice with me. So as always, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit like for any videos that work for you so I can get the feedback from the like buttons, and leave comments or questions down below. I look forward to hearing from you.